Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Doc's Tech Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to properly check the oil on your 4-stroke dirt bike. First step, remove the oil filler cap or the dipstick. See how it's got the oil on it? Wipe that off. Clean. Stick it back in there. Flat. Some bikes require you to screw it in. This just requires you to stick it flush to the hole, and then hold your bike up level. Let it sit for just a little bit. All that oil draining to the other side. Set it back gently down. Then get your dipstick. And if you can see, if I can get it to focus, this bike has half oil. The oil line is right there. See, it requires it to be filled up to right there. If it's below there, it's too low, but it's halfway, so it's pretty good. You check your oil quality. If it's just on your finger and it's clear looking, then you're good. But if it's a dark color or a milky color, you need it to be changed. Then you put your cap back on and twist it back on there and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.